Glamfam. So today I'm gonna be doing something super exciting. I tried recreating whoever's makeup that you want to recreate. This is a challenge and I first seen it on JEFFREE Star's channel, so I figured why not? Why not do a recreation of his since I seen it on his channel first. This was made by someone else. I can't remember his name. I can never remember his name. I know of him. I know him. I watch his videos, but I can never remember what his name is. I will link that down below so you can check both of them out. I am super excited to be doing this. I know a lot of you don't like JEFFREE Star, and I'm sorry, but I really like his products from his makeup brand, and I don't think anyone should be judged by their past. Come on guys, let's spread love. I want to spread love, not hate. No, in my last video I got a lot of hate comments and people saying that they were gonna unsubscribe for me just because I liked JEFFREE Star's makeup. You know, you don't have to watch this if you don't want to. You do not have to watch this if you don't want to. Just click off of this video right now if you don't want to see me use JEFFREE Star products. Or if you don't want to hear me talking about JEFFREE Star. You know, I want my channel to be about, you know, love. Just spread lots of love. Everyone, just be nice. I am not into drama and I'm not into hate. So please, just click off of this video if you don't like the title. But if you do, please keep watching this video. I'm super excited to do this challenge. I did ask JEFFREE Star if I could use his video in my video, but I never got a reply, and I'm not saying that I expected a reply. I know he gets lots and lots of tweets per minute. So I'm going to be showing you guys which one I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial. This is my favorite tutorial by him. He just seems very humble and very thankful for what he has. And that is why it's my favorite makeup tutorial. Also, it's freaking beautiful. And it's using one of my favorite palettes ever. So there's that too. If you are new here, hello! I am Josie. I run this channel, obviously. I don't know why I said that, but I hope you guys can stay and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. I have over 300 videos. I've been doing this for a while now, since 2013, I believe. So if you are new here, hello! I'm super excited that you are here, and I hope you will stay. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Oh, I just bent one of my nails back. Maybe post down below who you would like me to try out. Does that make sense? Does it not? If there is anyone that you want me to... What am I trying to say? Hold on. I did it again! If there's anyone that you want me to try and recreate their makeup looks, that still doesn't sound right, whatever, please comment that down below and I will see what you guys want me to do. If you guys want me to do another recreation of someone else's makeup. Yeah, let's get into this tutorial. Today I am doing JEFFREE Star, one of my favorite tutorials from him, and that is the ABH Modern Renaissance palette tutorial, and it is the one with him, you know, biting the Modern Renaissance in the thumbnail. You know, that one? Yeah. Once again, you can like whoever you like and you can not like whoever you don't like. I really love his makeup. He's an amazing artist. Alright, so he's going in with his foundation, and I'm actually going to be going in with, I don't have the La Mer foundation, but I do have Born This Way, and so we're going to go in with that and just put it all over our face. Couple pumps, and just start to buff it in. Well, bounce it in. if you will. Now I did see on some of the videos that were posted for this challenge that people were just posting the videos that they were recreating in with the tutorial. You guys already know which one I'm recreating because I just don't want to piss anyone off. Alright, so we're going to go in with our concealer next, and I'm going to be using the Amazing Concealer Illuminate by Amazing Cosmetics, and we're just going to go in and place this underneath our eyes and blend it out with our Beauty Blender. And in the video, I don't know if you guys noticed, but he has really cool contacts on. They're kind of reddish, so I did put my red contacts in. These are from Pinky Paradise, if you guys didn't know already. Now he goes in with a pressed foundation. I'm just going to go in with the Laura Mercier powder. I know Jeffree uses this. Well, at least he used to use it. I'm not sure. I haven't seen it. I don't think I've seen it in any of his super recent videos. But we're going to go in and set our under eye with this powder. It is one of the best powders I've ever used in my life. You guys already know this. And I know a lot of makeup brands have came out with really good pressed powders, but I just can't. I can't step away from this powder. I don't know if you guys know this, but Jeffree Star comes to Michigan quite often, and I'm from Michigan, so every time he says that he's here, I am secretly hoping to like run into him, even though I know I'm not going to. But it's kind of cool to know that he's in the same state as me when he comes over here to visit. Alright, and then he goes in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I don't have that anymore. I have the NYX Highlight and Contour palette right here, and we're going to go in with a mix of these two colors and highlight and contour our face, especially our cheekbones. And I'm going to be going in and contouring with the Emphasize Contour F57 brush by Sigma. I do have a link if you guys would like to check it out in the description bar below. But we are going to go in and contour our face. And then I'm just going to go in with a more fluffier brush, and this is by NYX, and we are going to go in with a lighter color. I'm going to go in with this banana shade right here, and we're just going to buff out the edges that are around that contour. Alright, now we're going to go in with the highlight. I do not have the palette that he uses in the video, but I do have something that's a little bit similar in color, and that is the Luminizer Sisters by The Balm, Mary Luminizer and Cindy Luminizer. I'm going to mix the two together and apply the highlight to our cheekbones. And then we're going to go in with one of my favorite palettes, and that is the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It has got lots of love since I've owned it. As you can see, it's not the prettiest palette anymore. Alright, so this is as good as my eyebrows are going to get today. They're not perfect, but I don't care right now. Let's be real, guys. Your eyebrows are never going to be exactly 100% the same unless you get them tattooed on or something, or you are seriously a perfectionist that has a lot of time to spend on matching eyebrows. As usual, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. This is my go-to eyebrow filler. Alright, we are going to go in with Primavera right here, and we're going to put that all over our lid just like Jeffree. Alright, now we're going to blend those edges out with realgar, and that is this pretty rusty orange color. We are going to be going in with a blending brush, and I'm just going to be using a MAC 217. A Sigma E25 is similar, and you can use that as well if you would like. Alright, and then we're going to go in with burnt orange, and we're going to diffuse that realgar out. Alright, and then we're going to go in with Cypress Ambar, this dark brown chocolate right here, and we're going to put that into the outer crease of our eye and also blend it down to our lash line as well. Oh, it's really hard to come back after one of those. Alright, and then we're going to go back into burnt orange, and we're going to go over all of the colors that we just put on, just to blend them a little bit more. Alright, and then once we have that blended out, I'm going to go back into Cypress Ambar, which is the darker color, and we're just going to pack it onto the outer parts of our eyelid. We really want this to be dark. Alright, and then we're going to go in with Red Ochre, which is my favorite color out of the whole entire palette. Actually, it's one of my favorite colors, period, out of so many, like all of the eyeshadows. We're gonna go in and blend that brown out just a little bit more with the Red Ochre. And then we're gonna go back in with Tempera, this color right here, the light color, and just kiss that right underneath our eyebrow for the final touch to our highlight. Aww, Andrew just sent me this cute little meme with cats, and you can't really see it, but it's a cat going over the spikes of a house just to get to another cat, and look at her, she's cute, she's holding his face. Ooh, that's adorable. Alright, so we are going to take Love Letter and Venetian Red, and we are going to place that underneath our eye for a dramatic smoke out. Alright, then we're gonna go in and wet our brush. And we're gonna go back into Primavera, this really sparkly eyeshadow, and we are going to put this into our tear duct to make this highlight pop. Alright, I'm going to curl my lashes and then put some mascara on. I'm going to be using Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and we are going to curl and apply mascara. Alright, so Jeffree Star doesn't wear winged liner in this look, and you guys already know how I feel about my winged eyeliner. It's really hard for me not to do it, but I'm not going to. For the sake of following Jeffree's tutorial, I'm gonna go straight into lashes, but I missed a step. We are going to line our eyes with a nude pencil. This is by Makeup Geek. Okay, alright. Let me sharpen this first. But I just don't want to look for my sharpener. I just don't wanna. God. Okay. Nope. Gotta find it. Gotta find my sharpener. Don't know where it is. Don't freaking... Does anyone else have this problem with their sharpener? I can never find my sharpener anywhere when I need it. But when I don't need it, I find it in the most random places that it shouldn't be in.
Where have you gone? Where could you possibly be? I mean, I don't understand. I really don't understand. I don't know where it is.
Honestly, who gave my eyeliner sharpener teleportation freaking powers? Because I can't find it anywhere. It's nowhere to be found. So here is another nude pencil. Crisis averted. Good God. All right, we're just gonna go in. This is by NYX, by the way, and line our waterline. Hold my head up high. now that it's been 25 freaking minutes. Now, I was gonna use Cecile lashes by House of Lashes, but I can't find my pack. Actually, I think I need a new one. I'm gonna go in with the Velux Envy eyelashes. These are super pretty. You guys can see that. These are the Malia version. Lashes on, and they are humongous and gorgeous and perfect. All right, so I don't have the lip liner that I used, but I do have Nude Beige, and we are going to go in and line our lips. I need this to be a tad warmer, so I'm gonna be going in with Gladio lip liner, and this is in Spice. Ha. That's the name of MAC's lip liner. Alright, and I do not have Mannequin by Jeffree Star, but I do have I'm Nude, so let's go in with that. Fun fact, this was the first liquid lipstick that I bought from Jeffree Star. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with NYX's Matte Finish Finishing Spray, and we're going to set this face. But for real, these are a little bit longer than I'm used to, so see how long I'll leave these on for. Probably not that long. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe down below. It's free, and I post new videos every single week. And I also have a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Definitely Snapchat. I talk to you guys mostly over there. But I have all those. They're also at Beautybyjosiek as well. I hope you guys will go chat with me over there. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye! Oh man. Ooh, these lashes. I could probably fly away. Damn it. What was I saying? What was I saying? What was I even saying? And now the next step is just, you know, wash it off in the shower and go to bed like I do. Ting! Honestly, I couldn't go anywhere if I wanted to. There's so much snow on the ground. I cannot talk today. I also cannot think today. Oh. Alright. I can play this on guitar, guys. How do people make that look sexy? I can't. Nope. Nope. How am I supposed to, Jeffree, how do you make this look good? How? It just looks like I'm gonna eat the palette. I know. What was I saying? Just so everyone knows that I'm not suffering anymore.